Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll talk about MonSpark lifetime deal. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell icon. So let's get started. MonSpark monitor the performance and functionality of your website with real-time notifications. Then, if only there was a tool that could monitor your website, server, and apps 24/7 and send timely performance update to all your stakeholders. Then, what is MonSpark? MonSpark is a web-based applications monitoring tool that lets you track your website and apps uptime, functionality, and content change. Alternative to Pingdom, status pages, uptime robot, best for e-commerce, project manager, search, integration, Discord, Microsoft Teams, Slack, SMS, and Zapier. Then, with MonSpark, you can easily monitor any website, server, and applications. No programming or complicated setup required. Create a custom uptime seg in just a few clicks by entering the targeted URL, giving the seg a name, and searching how often you want to run. You can also search how to get notified if your site goes down, whether that by email, SMS, messaging app, or custom webhook and Zapier integrations. As soon as MonSpark detects a change, you will get alert ASAP through your selected channel, so you can respond issue right away. Then, MonSpark lets you monitor a specific web page's change, including tags, images, and even backend elements like source code and cookies. That's why you will know when a price drop, a URL change, or when a website refreshes their tag. You can also analyze your website SEO and loading time and get tips on where to make improvement. Plus, you will receive notifications for crucial changes to your website like DNS record, expiring SSL certificate, and content updated. Then, MonSpark makes it easy to report incidents, outcasts, or status update to your customer, so you can keep communications open and minimize confusions. You will be able to host customizable status pages on your own domain without having to install anything or do any special coding. Along with external status pages for customer, you can also share password protected status pages internally with your team. Check the real-time status of monitor so you can take action on any potential issue quickly. You'll be able to see the status and highlights for all of your monitor on main dashboard or streamline your workflow. Plus, you can visualize response time and filter your event history by date, event type, and downtime. Without an efficient monitoring tools, your website is just one unsolved issue away from you going down. Luckily, MonSpark notifies as soon as your site, app, or server is down, so you can solve problems before they snowball. Keep your site up and running. Get lifetime access MonSpark today. One-time purchase of $69. So why are you late? Get lifetime access, 60-day money-back guarantee. Then, MonSpark focus your app left monitoring to MonSpark. Loved by team for 19 plus country, more than 2,000 amazing people using MonSpark. So why are you late? Don't miss these tools. It's only $69. Then, how to work MonSpark? First of all, sign up. Totally free, no credit card or payment required. Join thousands of people all over the world. Then start monitoring. No complicated setup, just enter the URL of a website and MonSpark will do the rest. Get notified. Website down, it's happening. If your site experience and outgets, you will send your email alert to Slack notifications. Simple yet powerful feature: uptime monitoring, ping monitoring, and SSL monitoring. Then pricing plan. Appsumo offers 3 pricing plans in the marketplace: License Tier 1, License Tier 2, and License Tier 3. One-time purchase of $69. Then License Tier 2 priced $139. License Tier 3 $199. So if you interested these tools or software, get lifetime access today. Don't miss this offer.